Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sami. I'm a human nutrition student and researcher at the university, and this is the cooking methods series of videos. So today we're going to talk about the last chapter, which is the other cooking methods. So let's begin. We have the mixed cooking methods and the special cooking methods. Starting with the mixed cooking methods, we have the stew, which is done by low heat with lid, oil, a lot of it, and can be added some water, but not really, low water quantities. Then we have the braising. Braising is cooking a big piece, normally meat, in a bed of vegetables. Then we have the guiso, which is famous here in Spain. It is cooked with no lid, a lot of oil, a lot of water, and they also permit a light fry or saute. Then indeed we have the light fry. To fry lightly is to put at low heat a little bit of oil, and it is meant to not give to the food some color, so just to heat it up a little bit. And then to saute is with oil, and the purpose is to get it lightly brown. So the difference between these two is that they are indeed the same, but this has the purpose of getting it browned, whereas this is to keep it as it is. And also the differences between stew and guiso, because they are very similar, is the water content. Guiso has some added water, whereas the stew hasn't. All of these are mixed methods because they imply more than one cooking method to prepare them. Special cooking methods, we find the vacuum cooking or sous vide, and this is done by airtight plastic bags. We put them in a bain-marie to cook them at 65-85 degrees Celsius, and then we rapidly cool them down. And this procedure will give us a product that will last for 21 days. This is done mainly for meat. Do you remember that in the last video we talked about the best temperature for meat to be cooked with, which was around these temperatures? And indeed this is a famous way of cooking meat that is becoming trend nowadays. The only concern is that the spores of the Clostridium botulinum, they survive up to 120 degrees, so they can survive this heat treatment. And then we have, as last cooking method, the microwave cooking. Microwave has inside it a magnetron that creates waves. These waves will make water molecules to move, and this movement will create heat. How the water molecules move? Well, by inversion of the molecule charges. This occurs 2.45 billion times per second. 2.45 billion rotations per second. This again will heat up the interior, but no crust and no browning are made with this method. And we also have to mention that there is no effect on dried out food or ice, because dried out food does not contain water, and ice, the molecules of water are really tight together and they cannot really move. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you understood everything I said. If you didn't, there is a comment section down below. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family to let them know how mixed cooking or special cooking methods work. You can find this diagram in the description below, in the first link. It's on my website. You can download this for free and study it very well. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye! Ciao, ciao!